Set back, honey. Let's go.
I'ma do everything I said I'm gonna do.
Ooh, child. So, hello everyone, it's Salvies, and I'm back for yet another video. I did that right. Oh well.
Let's move right along.
To my new subscribers, I'm old subscribers. And let's go, honey. Honey, I am back. Yes, I was like, you know what? In the dark situation of things, why don't I pop up here and let you guys know that, yes, I am here with you guys, okay? I am so here with you guys. But in my room, honey, I'll be in my room, locked up, going to the salon 3 days a week. I'm not going no more. 6 days no more. 3 days, and I'm done. Yeah. Period, honey. I cannot help it. Because so many people depend on me as a stylist, so I have to stay protected. Because they've been calling me, they're like, hey, are you okay? Are you, are you sneezing? Are you coughing? Are you sick? I was like, huh? Bitch. Okay now, I get it, but I should not be the first person you should even think about in that way. Like, okay, so that way I may not come in. No, girl, I've been very isolated for so long, so many years, that I am even scared for people to come to see me, especially since some of my guests travel a lot overseas. I am scared for them. Like, I tell them, please, if you're sick, please stay home, because you know that I take care of other guests too, so they understand, because they travel a lot and I respect that, but they are going about their business. I cannot stop them from traveling because they have to come get their hair done. Okay, so you guys please stay safe. I love you guys so much. So let's get into this. I want to see what this is all about. The insane TikTok makeup hacks. Guys, I can watch videos from TikTok and all that stuff, but like I said, you guys will not see me there, because let's put it this way, I'm too freaky for YouTube that sometimes they take my videos down because they're like, oh, it's too sexual.
I said go all the way down and then head right.
I'll be like, bitch, it's not my fault that I was just born that way, like that, honey. Like, huh? But it is what it is. So let's see this. I will be checking out this. Let's see.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, she's very pretty. Wait, there's no makeup there. Her skin is already glowing. Why does her lips look like it's upside down? For a second, I thought this was one of the girls who went to cosmetology school with me. Oh my god. Whew, that's not her. But this is the face she has. That was a makeup hack? Stop it. Hmm? Wait, that is supposed to be a makeup hack? What the fuck? Hmm? Who created this video? Hmm? Hold on, I'm confused. Her face looks the same, like when it started. The best way to get rid of acne and acne scars, okay? Oh, she already has the iPhone 11 or iPhone 12. What? Ooh, child. She's like a bitch. It's crazy when you're a business owner and your phone is not as advanced as when you see a teenager with an iPhone. You're like, how did you even afford that? I'm always confused sometimes. Like, those who have the money, they're trying to make that money. Then people that don't have the money are buying these gadgets. They're like, wow, I didn't know you could afford that type of... Her face still looks the same. What's she... This is an insane makeup hack. Is it me or I'm seeing... Oh my god. I think most of the insane people went to TikTok, like...
Amen.
This is what this is.
Oh, ooh. Okay. Oh wow. That is looking like ASMR. Okay now. Oh my gosh, she has to show. Ooh. Okay now. Okay, that is a hack right there. Concentrate. That's a makeup hack. Oh, the troubles of, yeah. Okay. Okay, what you can use when you have long nails, how to take stuffs out. Okay now. I didn't even know we needed this type of video, but I guess we do. Okay now. That is definitely a... Is that a JEFFREE Star product? Stop! You swatched it on her forehead. That's his friendship goals right there.
That is bomb. I'm just saying.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, how to make your own lipstick and gloss? Okay now. Wait, hold on. No, you did not use eyeshadow to make up lipstick and gloss. Oh my god. All I can see is the lip filling and injection. I don't know, when people do that, it doesn't look... It scares me. Because I'm scared that if I kiss them, their lips may blow up. I don't know why I feel that way. I know it sounds ignorant, but that's how I feel. Like, it looks like if you press it, the lips... When I kiss, kiss. That's how I kiss, so I'm always scared that the person's lips may just... The fillers may just start pulsating through into my mouth, so I'm like, no. We can do forehead kissing at that point. Okay. Oh wow. Okay now. That's not a bad idea though. Because some people, when they put the eyelashes, it's like, oh my god. And this just at the edges. Wait, what will that do? Huh? It's like someone, you know, when they did the septum, you know, piercing. That's how it looked like. She had this piercing. That is a corrector. Wait, what? What was that supposed to do? I'm confused. Ooh, Holiday. Wow. Ooh, she's now looking like what's her name? Jacqueline Hill. And she's gorgeous too.
Hi. Thank you.
But she's looking more like Jacqueline Hill now. I think this girl should be one of the gurus on TikTok in makeup because they've shown her so many times now already. Okay, come to contour. You better contour. Sometimes when people do so much makeup in their face, you know, on their face, all I imagine is, can you imagine when you pour water on that person's face? Ciao. Okay. Her eyebrows are already snatched, so... Huh? She's back again? Okay, this girl... For a second, I thought she was trying to do freckles. Okay. Oh. Oh, she has a problem of jeans. Okay now. Oh, I've seen this on Instagram. Someone tried it. And I was like, that is a whole lot of work just to make something that is big look. No, girl, I'll just put that away and give it away. Rather than, like, what's the point? But if it works, renegade. Oh, Whenever I see people doing renegade, right? I don't know. That's all I can say. I don't want to say how I feel about renegade, but you know when something has been done so much, like the only renegade dance I have enjoyed so far is James Charles because James Charles was not playing when James was like, I have 2 left feet, and it's so funny to watch that. That's the only one I enjoyed. The others I'm like, oh, renegade. I'll be like, you know what?
Okay.
That's one dance I'm never gonna be learning. I'm out. Anyway, from Salvies, and that's to this.